Okay, I'm playing the Lightning Link Dragon Riches. Here's the progressive. Just put 100 in, just sat down, played around with the 1 cent, and of course it gives you the bonus on the 50 cent, the lowest bet. But again, you can get any of these things, no matter what bet you're playing with the hold and spin. So let's do it. Oh, that's nice. Come on now. Ah. Boo. Alright, still play. Still play around with the penny for a little bit. And I guess, hopefully I get something and I'll come back. I'll spare you guys the spin by spin, you know? Okay, I'll see you soon, hopefully. They're up to $2.50. These are the progressives again. Let's see what this one gives me. Now the dragons expand like that, which can be nice, especially if you get them in the second, third, and fourth reel, like that. Those two. 25 bucks. Not bad for $1.50. Yes, that's what I wanted. Yeah, you didn't block me that time. That's what I wanted, right there. Okay, here we go. Come on now, drop something nice. Thank you. Come on, stick one, stick it, stick it. Thank you. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's 30 bucks. I like that one. Give me more of those. You forgot a zero, buddy. Come on, stick it, stick it. Thank you. Let us spin here. Don't make it so. Yeah. Hey, not bad. That's like 50 bucks, about right? More. Nice. I will surely take that for a $1.50 bet. And that's, oh, I'm still in a bonus, I forgot. Ooh! Too bad it wasn't that last one. Man, let me see. You ready for this? You can probably times it by 4 or 5 with that last one. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. That would have been really good. But still, 100 in, I'm not complaining. 239, I'm getting out at 2 regardless. But let's see if it has a little bit more life in it for me, huh? Oh, what a waste. What a waste on those, huh? Money back. There's that nice ball again. I'll take a few of you guys next time. Alright, are we done? Are we getting divorced now or what? What are we doing? fill up a couple of... Oh, look at that. Beautiful. All 50 again. I was just gonna go up too. I don't know if this was already preset in the back, regardless if I change amounts. Would it have still come out? I don't know. Let's do it, guys. Dragons all over the place. I like how he does that. Come on. Give me that hold and spin. Or fill up the dragons. Three of 6. Two more spins. Last one. Oh, oh, oh. Alright, pretty crappy. But what do you expect? What do you expect when you're only betting a little bit, you know? I'm gonna bump it up a little bit, 250. Do a couple of those, see what happens. No, it doesn't like me. Do $1. Come on now. Oh, you look at that screen. What a blocker. Okay, I forgive you. Okay, I forgive you now. Many's $10. I forgive you now. Okay. We're all good. We're all good. There's peace and rainbows outside now. Okay, let's go. Keep them coming. Thank you, and thank you. I haven't thanked you yet. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Come on now. Last spin. No, it's not. Take another mini, why not? Thank you. 2 more spins. Oh, shoot. Last one. Is it? Is it? Oh, yes it is. Oh, it's like $38, $36. Don't take it. Not bad. I like this game. It's a newer one, you know, for me at least. I think it's videos on YouTube have been out for like 6-7 months or so. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. It's throwing them out, you know. It's throwing the orbs and whatever that thing is right there. It's throwing them out. It's teasing the hell out of me. Alright. I'll come back if I get anything else. Alright, see you soon, hopefully. Alright, I'm going to play the last few with you guys, and I'll play that 250. Let's see what happens. So 3 more spins. Okay, last one. Ooh. Okay, good way to end it though. Double up. And that's it for me, guys. Alright, subscribe, I appreciate it. Shows me you like the content. And you want me to post more, get me motivated. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay, just got the dancing drums. 588 bet. Let's go with the 5. It does. Come on, people. Get nice. Yeah, 54, not bad. Put 100 in, by the way. So I can catch it all. Re-trigger this, come on. Go, go, go. Two more spins. What can it be? What can it be with two more? Yes. That's what I wanted. Re-trigger. Okay, 4 of 8. 5 of 8. Don't waste them. Don't waste them. Food dogs. 7 of 8. Food dogs. Food dogs. Food dogs. Oh, man. That was 72 by itself. Just imagine if it was a 4th and 5th reel, column, whatever. My God. Last one. Not bad. 185. Could have been a whole lot better. Couple of lives. You know what? Let's play 588 down to 200, and then I'll be out. You never know. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that last one again. Here's the progressives, by the way. Come on, close that pot. You can do better than this. We got like 2 more spins now. Last one. Good enough for me. Select. See you next one, guys. I just sat down. Hold on. Just sat down to play 5 Dragons Gold. And I got a 4 trigger on a 250 spin. It's only a penny machine. Not bad. Oh boy, what do I do here? Do I do mystery? Let's go with 10. 10 games. Alright, come on. Make me proud. Why is that so much? Wow, I paid 125? I think so. Yeah, wow. Four of 10, 5 of 10. 6 of 10. Total. Not bad. See you in the next one, guys. I'm out. Alright, everybody. I'm leaving for the day. I'm done gambling. Walking out, last machine. Eureka Real Blast. Here's Progressives. Put 100 in. I was on nickels for a little bit, then I went to pennies. So 50 cents, man. Hold on to your horses here, boys. 50-cent bet. What can I get? 3 more. 2 more. Alright, last one. What can it be? Yeah. Garbage. $7. Oh, nice. Again, 50 cents. Well, you never know, man. You can get one of those. You never know. That's a nice start. Nice start. Come on. Oh, come on. You gotta do that to me like that? Jesus Christ. Last spin. Whoopee. That one. Ooh, that's a big one. I think I gotta get off this. It's alive. Alright. I think this is it. I'm gonna back up the nickels. Alright, I guess I'll come back if I get anything. If not, I took it all the way down and I went home happy. I'm up pretty nice, so I'll post the videos, you'll see them. Hey, hopefully I come back. Well, nickels in it. Got it. A little bit to spare. Now make it better than the last one. Come on. Oh man. Three more spins. Two more. What can I do? What can happen? Good. Oh, I need that J right there. Wrong spot. Alright, I'll take it. Maybe the mini. Maybe up close to even. Okay. This one should have better numbers in it. Oh, you piece of shit. What is that? 79. Brings me close to even. wanted to say, I'll get back with you if I get anything. And look at this. Oh, do it. All right. Come on, give me something. Jinx it. I think my speed up. We got 7 spins to go. It's gonna be a while this way. 6 more. Come on. Fuck, blocked me. Alright, 2 more to go. Last one. Alright, 75. That works for me. So I'm going to play it down to the 100 I started with. Damn. Last one. Yeah, it's free entertainment. See you guys on the next one.